What is up, everyone? My name is Jeannide. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we are about to get into this Bambi fall look. I mean, I call them Bambi looks because, you know, Bambi's brown and white, and so it's just a whole bunch of browns and whites going on with this eye look. And I'm just obsessed with those kinds of look for the fall. I'm obsessed with every kind of fall look, but I just like the Bambi ones the most. But anywho, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. And I ain't really got much else to say. Like, let's just get on to this look. Let's just get into it. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Hello, everyone. So we have fall look number 2, and we're taking, well, and we're using the Morphe 3502 palette first to use yeah, this color right here. I'm gonna put in my crease. So I'm first going to use this brush, no name, just from wish.com, but it's a pretty flat brush, but it's like thick. It has a lot of bristles, so I'm going to put that into my crease. I'm patting it first into my crease. Like my phone's not already effed up. Okay, so I'm going to use this up next to blend out that brown shadow with this another brush from wish.com, and I'm just patting it. I'm just patting it along those edges for now. So now I am going to use this color up here as a transition color. Just gonna put a little bit on my brush, pat away the excess. I thought I'm going real fast, but now I'm just getting the BH Cosmetics 129 brush to blend out like the edges. So I'm lifting up my eyebrow and just blending out the edges of everything pretty much. And it's a clean brush, so I'm honestly gonna repeat the process, this whole process over again, cause this crease ain't deep enough. I can't even get sleeping in my place. Oh yeah, add this to the lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna cut the crease with the No Filter ColourPop concealer, number medium 28. Getting this flat brush. Oh wait, there's a name actually. Simple Pleasures. Oh, this is one of the Simple Pleasures brushes. Okay. So I'm getting this BH Cosmetics 129 shader brush, and I'm going to spray it with water. And then I'm going to immediately get the Morphe 35, what it's called, 35W palette. I'm going to get this, pretty much this creamish color up here. Is it white or is it cream? I don't know. And I'm going to pack that all over that half cut crease. Half cut crease. Okay, now I am going to get pretty much the same color I put in the crease, but this is the excess. I'm not adding anymore. I'm going to push it in here. To about, I guess half. I'm just blending those edges with my finger. And then I'm going to get a smaller Johnson brush or whatever. Now the last color. I'm excited. I love looking like a little Bambi. I love it. So I think that's like my favorite kind of fall look. But anywho, this is the last color right here. I'm gonna use this. And from the 3502 palette again. I'm excited. Oh, I didn't talk about the inner corners yet though. That's not to be the last one, because I have an inner corner. But anywho, I think I used too much. But I think I took too much. But I'm gonna put it at the end, at the outer V. Yeah. I'm just patting it in. Oh yeah, that brush we just used. And yeah, blend it out to blend it out. So we can transition to that lighter color. Okay, and as you can see, your girl is beat. She is beat. She looking good. Her face match her neck and her chest and her arms, her shoulders. Your girl on fleek. Okay, no more ashiness. If you want to know my updated foundation routine, because I got a tan, make sure you hit that card up above for that video, girl. But I also have ColourPop, whatchamacallit, Limbo on my lips. And if you want to know pretty much my ColourPop collection, I got another card going up here. You can just click on that and just know about my little collection. It's a short video. I have a little collection. Nothing crazy. I don't got 20 lippies yet. But but yeah. I hope that you enjoyed this look. I hope that you really like it. I'm gonna have more fall looks on the way, because fall is like my favorite season. I love fall looks. I might do more Bambi kind of looks. Yeah, at least once a week. So check me out Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays for new videos. And if you haven't been checking out my live, you know, you can subscribe so you can like watch my lives, because I'll be updating people. But like I said, I'm not really gonna do music no more on my channel, on this channel, at least for this channel. I got like a music IG now at Angel Dion. The link is down below for that though. But you can continue following me on my regular, you know, IG. But it's a beauty IG too. It's like my personal and beauty IG. Jean Angel XO. Also want to get into like making, whatchamacallit, like uploading videos 4 times a week and then 5 times a week. Because I need to be hitting my goals. I feel already so behind. I need to hit my goals. I've already been filming a whole bunch of stuff, editing a whole bunch of stuff. I can get it done. Like, I can get it done. So we gonna do it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm not too tired of saying that. Don't like to comment, whatever. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. But yeah, thanks for watching.